Hello everyone, I am Inay Sankupan and I am going to tackle about how to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. There are three important ways to stop or to slow the spread of virus. And the first is to wear your mask. To wear your mask like this. And then to stay at least 6 feet apart from each other. It's about 2 arm length. And the third one is avoid going to a crowded place. Wear a mask. Wash your hands or use hand sanitizing before putting on your mask. And wearing your mask over your nose. So when you wear your mask, you should put it like this. It should be over your nose like this and mouth, and secure it under your chin. So to secure it properly, you can do it like this. Like this. And make sure you can breathe easily. Stay 6 feet apart from each other. Inside your home, avoid close contact with people who are sick. Even though you are a relative or family, you should still keep or maintain social distancing from each other so that we can stop spreading virus. If possible, maintain 6 feet apart or between the person who is sick and others household members. Inside your home, like when you are buying some stuff in a sari-sari store or small store, you should still keep distance of the social distancing from each other because it is to help us to stop or slow down the spread of virus. And remember that some people without symptoms may be able to spread virus. Wash your hands often. Especially important to wash before eating or preparing food, before touching your face, after using a restroom, after leaving a public place, after blowing your nose or coughing or sneezing, after handling your mask, after changing a diaper, after caring someone who is sick, after touching animals or pets. So, especially if we have pets in our home, we should always wash our hands and use alcohol or sanitize for us to keep getting a virus. Use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% of alcohol. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth. So avoid crowds. Because being in a crowd, like in a restaurant, bars, fitness center, or movie theaters, put you in a high risk for COVID-19. So we should stop going in a crowded place or places like that. Avoid poorly ventilated spaces. Avoid indoor spaces that do not offer fresh air from the outdoor as much as possible. Wash your hands often with the soap and water for at least 20 seconds. And there are proper ways to wash your hands. First is put water and soap in your hands, and then palm to palm, between your fingers, focus on your thumb, on your back of your hands, and then your rest, and then rinse, and after that, dry your hands, palms, and sneezes. Always cover your mouth and nose. When you cough, you should cover your mouth and nose like this, or use some tissues or use your elbow when you sneeze or cough like this, so that the air or the water that you breathe from your body will stay in you. Don't use tissues in the trash. So after you use the tissue, you should throw it and don't use it again because it's already contaminated. And immediately wash your hands with the soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Clean and disinfect. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surface daily. Especially in your house, you should always clean your house and disinfect. Especially the doorknob because every one of you touch it, go outside. And if the surface are dirty, you should clean it. And then use a household disinfectant so to be sure that there is no germs or bacteria that go in your house and stay. Monitor your health daily. Be alert for symptoms. Especially important if you are running essential errands, going into office or workplaces, and in a settings where it may be difficult to keep a physical distance of 6 feet. Take your temperature. Not take your temperature within 30 minutes of exercising or after taking medication that could lower your temperature, like a So, when you do some exercises like running on medication, do not take your temperature because it will that kind of exercise will lower your temperature and it's not advisable to get your temperature. Thank you for listening.